Guys, kuningi ya eMzansi. Soliphenduka ka-ende phela ukuthi bamdismiss eKaya FM. Angazi angiboni ukuthi angaya ko CCMA for this. You must just give it up. I concentrate to make G and other things. Just as much as people have been saying, so also he has a small child. Guys, mawuzazi ukuthi une small child, shut your mouth. Akhulume yedwa to make G. Ngohamba ufakaza ngomini. Ngoba I remember very well the stuff that he said. Usoliphenduka about Minnie Dlamini. And they thought Minnie was going to play with them. Guys, how do you even in your platform and say things like that about people? That's just my thing about Minnie Dlamini's saga. Why would you say that though? That's like rude beyond my understanding. So they just like I got them and hump. And people were like, oh shame, the morning breakfast show is a safari. People were like, abangeke. There's quite a few people actually that I saw on X who were saying I, formerly known as tweets, who were saying I know Tina Gishem gets Saiboga Lutok. Ika FM actually say boycott. It's just like guys. Ika FM keep on keeping. Umuntu kanje. It's just like you can go. Phela Ika FM wasn't actually built for you or by you. So bye. I think bakanjalo. Ngithe kusanjalo this morning nangu sandwich. Is it busy tree? I'm just like I guess this. Ngeke. Ababala abanye babala yena kuphela. I'm just like ngeke sisi udume kanje uphume ku SABC ngezinto engekho right. Yeah, ebona usima I think in the end uzamile ukuzehlisa guys no lie and it ended in tears. Ukhalile usima ku a podcast there. Naku make G. She cried him. Kogunye, you did look at it and you just like I know it's actually genuine and legit. I mean, ukhala ngempela. It's like for real now. It's 2.8 guys. 2.8 followers on TikTok, guys. It's a lot. How do you retract that? How do you start all over? Uyabona nje guys ezinye izinto my gosh umlomo nasepipelini ukhona lelimi. Yes sis. There was a certain way Eddie. There was another girl futhi nayo ekhuluma ukuthi who was at the podcast there. Nayo who did the same Russian thing. Who was just saying ukuthi this thing is not human trafficking. You understand? It's not HC at all. And another one was just talking ukuthi no maybe fika laphana bakhiswa ama weapons. They do taught how to make weapons and then she was just like she couldn't. I think she's from Kenya or something. She was just like she couldn't, she left. And also most people actually are still there. I even cited my other video the other day with abanye basasekhona. They just feel like iningi imali living. How is it going to help you? Mhlambe ekhaya kuyahlushwa and all of that. So usually ukuthi she hasn't been vele home for 2 years. Not because bayamhlukumeza. No. It's because imali uyayidinga. And she was just like this girl lo munye bekhuluma yesterday. People who are still there abanye who are still working. It's because ngempela ekhaya there's nothing. But they can actually afford their flights back. That's how much money they make. I was just like, it hasn't already South Africa enough ngaleso story. Go back, but I said just one story they read with it. Ukuthi usima ke nomngane akhe nabanye abangani bakhe abanye uSamthanda noNtsabiseng nobani bani ukuthi they still trying to explain themselves, they don't care. And this TikTok it doesn't even waste time. Back just bakubeka pants in venue. Wahamba usima uvula enye account. I did say in my other video also before this one. Wahamba uvula enye account. She did mention that account ekhala nakhona ukuthi nje nkosami guys, it's understandable that you wouldn't want to follow me again, but I mean mina angizange ngithengise ngane to the Russians. I am like really sorry. Same lapho kokwamanje guys kukuningi ya eMzansi. Thank you so much for always supporting this new channel. I appreciate you. Ngithanda over.